Assalamu alaikum. This video is presented to you by Noor Al-Fajr, your guide to navigating Nusuk and illuminating your spiritual journey. In preparation of the third round of sales, here is a brief tutorial on how you can easily access configuration links for quick checkout by utilizing the Bookmark feature on Google Chrome. Configuration links are available for all our custom and public packages in our public Google Drive folder, accessible by scanning the QR code on the screen. We've also provided detailed information including total pricing, scholar information, and the flight details for your convenience. Please log into your Nusuk account and go to the dashboard page. Once here, return to our Excel sheet and copy the configuration link for your desired package. Return to the tab with the Nusuk dashboard and copy and paste the configuration link into the browser. This should immediately bring you to the room configuration page of your desired package. Now, click the three vertical lines on the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser and select Bookmarks and Links from the drop-down menu. Then choose Bookmark this tab. You'll now be able to save this page. We recommend naming the bookmark the name of the desired package. Going forward, instead of having to copy and paste each configuration link, you'll be able to log into your Nusuk account and then access your configuration links from your bookmarks, ensuring a quick and easy checkout process. If you are in need of any assistance, please give our Pilgrim Support Specialists a call at our 24/7 help desk number. Contact us on WhatsApp or visit our website www.nooralfajr.com. In addition, stay updated by joining our Hajj WhatsApp group. May Allah accept your intentions for Hajj and make your journey easier.